Hi, welcome to our platform. This is Lorena again, and today I'm going to show you the main navigation functions of the assignments tool. In order to get there, first we have to go to the assignments icon. We'll click on it, and we'll be able to see a calendar view of the activities that we have created. Right here, you will see that you have the activities that correspond to the teens one group right here. They do have the same color. If I create any new activities for preteens, you'll be able to see that on a different color. In this case, on a blue. If you would like to switch to a list view, you would just go to switch to list view. Right here, you'll also be able to see the classes, the colors that correspond to each of them, the color of each activity that corresponds to teens 1, for example. You can hide these assignments if you would like to just visualize the ones for this group. If not, you can just click on it again and you will be able to see all the assignments. If you didn't create any folder, in this case, you see these activities under Units 2, Story 1 folder. But if you didn't create any folder for these activities, they'll be under Assignments without a folder. I will also cover some of the main functions that are under each folder. Right here, the first function you have is this button that will allow you to change the order of the different activities that you have right here. And you just will be able to move them. Right here, this button will allow you to change the name of the folder. You can just, if you need to rename the folder, you can do it and then click on Save. This button, the X button, when you click on it, will disable this folder for your students, so they won't be able to see it. They will be in gray. If you would like for your students to see these activities now, you can just click on the X button and you won't be able to, and the different activities will be available for your students to complete. The next button is the bulk button. You can edit assignments in bulk. I will cover this on another video in more detail. The next button that you have right here allows you, by clicking on it, you will be able to see it in green, and it has 1, 2, 3. That means that first, students have to complete this activity, and when they complete it, then we'll be able to do the next activity. The system won't allow students to jump assignments or choose whichever assignment they would like to do. They have to follow the order specified right here. But if you would like for your students to complete this assignment in any order, you just uncheck this and it'll be in gray. So that does it for the main functions of the assignments tool. I hope you can use them. And if you do have any questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com, or you can also go to the help button and you have more options to contact us there. Thank you so much for watching this video.